Hey, what's up, guys? Hey.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Get ready for exciting content where I share insightful tips, fun projects, and important lessons. Guys, you won't believe this. I've unlocked the secret to an unlimited harvest. And no, it's not money, not gold, it's grass. Who know? Who knew my backyard would turn into the Amazon jungle overnight? But hey, 1 month, I need to mow the lawn. Is another month's compost jackpot. Jackpot? Jackpot? Alright, let's go! Today, I'm going to show you how I get an unlimited harvest of grasses from my backyard for organic compost production. If you're into sustainable gardening, this is a game changer. So let's dive right in my backyard. Maghinay lang gahorod. Some see a problem. I see potential and also the need for a good solution in my backyard. But that's beside the point. This, my friends, is nature's confetti. It's green, it's free, and it's about to make the best organic compost ever. Who needs a farm when your backyard is basically a factory? Yo, plant farm, quick question. What's green gets cut every week and most people just throw it away? Yup, grass clippings. But hold up, don't trash it. That stuff is basically plant gold if you know how to use it. So stop, don't throw grass away. Wait, before you toss the grass, did you know you're literally throwing away free plant food? This is not trash. It's organic, nitrogen-rich gold. Your plants are starving and this is their buffet. Let's turn this trash into free, powerful fertilizer. Your plants will surely love. What is this magic grass stuff? Freshly cut grass is loaded with nitrogen. And nitrogen is like a protein shake for your plants. It helps them grow, strong, green and lush. This right here, it's not yard waste. It's plant fuel. And we're about to use it the smart way. The perks. Why grass clippings are the real MVP. Let's break it down. Why use raw grass as fertilizers? Number 1. Locks in moisture. Saves you from constant watering. 2. Feeds the soil naturally. No need for expensive store commercial fertilizer. No need to buy commercial fertilizer. 3. Reduces waste. You're saving the planet while saving your plants. Here's how to do it right way. Number 1. To use fresh but dry grass. Wet, soggy grass, moldy mess. 2. Don't spread in it a thin layer around your plants like a cozy blanket. 3. Don't dump a huge pile or your plant growths might suffocate. 3 or number 4, never use grass that's been sprayed with chemicals. Your plants will cry and so will you. Alright team, from now on, don't mow and throw, but instead, let's mow and grow. Grass clippings equals free fertilizer, less waste, more green vibes. Just grab your grass clippings, spread the thin layer around your plants, and boom, moisture lock. Soil fed, and you're basically a plant wizard now. You don't have to buy a pricey fertilizers from the store. This is free, natural, and it works. Turn your yard waste into plant power. By using grass from my own yard, I've reduced waste and boosted my garden's health, all without spending a dime. By using grass from my own yard, I've reduced waste and boosted my garden's health, all without spending a dime. Seriously, if plants could talk, it'd be like, bro, thanks for the meal. And here it is, the black gold of gardening. No chemicals, no expensive fertilizers, just my unlimited grass supply and a little patience. Who knew my laziness to mow the lawn would turn into an eco-friendly life hack? You can call me the compost king because my plants are about to thrive like never before. If you've got a yard, stop burning away those grass clippings. Turn them into compost and let nature do the work for you. Your plants will thank you and your wallet will too. And there's you have it, an unlimited source of organic compost from simple grass clippings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more sustainable gardening tips, and let me know in the comments how you use grass clippings in your garden. See you in the next one. Happy composting!